Hi, I'm Pascal from the Customer Success team, and today I will show you how you can organize and moderate your own workshop for setting up the app structure. I will take you through each step of the workshop, which include preparation, motivating your colleagues, brainstorming, discussion, decision on streams. To set up your app structure, it is crucial to first analyze your current internal communication. Being aware of all the content that is communicated in your company will empower you to successfully plan how you communicate with Beekeeper. Schedule a brainstorming session and invite a representative from every department. Try to make your team as diverse as possible and invite not just management, board members and team leaders, but also frontline workers. An ideal size for your brainstorming team is around 6 to 9 people. In preparation, ask them to watch the product overview videos. By understanding the possibilities available to them with Beekeeper, they can determine which feature is suitable for each type of content that they want to communicate. To help you moderate your session, we suggest to use a poster. You can download the template in the Beekeeper Academy. Being involved in a project like this is exciting. Welcome your audience and motivate them by saying that they were chosen to represent their department because they are considered as kind of trendsetters in their area. Distribute post-its in 3 different colors and give them around 10 minutes to write down all the content that they communicate in their departments and in their teams. They should also think about new content which is not communicated yet but will be relevant and interesting to them. Here it is crucial that they do not just think about classical top-down communication, but also about content which they communicate with their colleagues or information which they share with their supervisors. For top-down communication, they should use the yellow post-its, for bottom-up pink, and for peer-to-peer blue post-its. For every single piece of communication content, they should use separate post-its. After 10 minutes, ask them to present what they have written down and stick it on a poster. Here it is very important to moderate. For each post-it, ask them which feature they think would be best and whether this content is relevant to everybody or just a specific target group. Try to make it as interactive as possible and encourage discussions. This workshop is a great opportunity for discussions between people from different departments, locations, functions and hierarchy levels. It is very likely that the conversation will flow in many directions. Embrace it and encourage lively discussions. It's not often that this opportunity will come about. This is why it's a great chance for non-desk workers to express their thoughts, needs and pains and to feel listened to by managers and the administration. It's important that everyone is aligned by the end of the workshop. So, when all the post-its are on the poster, take a look at it. Because now you are ready to define your app structure. The app structure contains streams, groups, profile fields, admin rights, group chats, navigation extensions and worker visa. Since the stream structure is something which you need to decide with the team in the workshop, let's focus on that now. You can find out about the other aspects of the app structure in the Beekeeper Academy. Look at your poster and evaluate how many content post-its are for everybody and how many content post-its are just for a specific target audience. Like this, you can find out if you need just a company-wide stream or also other streams where just a specific target audience has access to. If customers decide to do more than one stream, they often create streams for locations, specific departments or topics. Or they differentiate between official information and less formal content. Most successful customers have all started with only a few streams at the beginning. It is always possible to create additional streams later. With too many streams, you risk that there is not enough content and interaction in every stream, so employees will not be motivated to frequently visit them. A healthy stream has at least 1 post per day, so please think about whether this is realistic for the amount of streams that you are planning. We also suggest that you allow a great mix of official information, work-related content and also informal discussion. This will help your employees to remain motivated and the platform interactive and engaging. But in the end, it is important that you define your own style which fits to your company structure and culture. After all, you know your company and co-workers best. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it will help you to inspire your colleagues and generate some excitement around Beekeeper. Good luck and have fun!